So today we're going to take a look at how you can do this smooth influencer zoom that you see on people's like TikToks, YouTube videos and things like that. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. I have this test video here. It's not very impressive, but it'll do for showing you the purpose of how we're going to do this video. So first, all you want to do first of all, put your video on timeline, and we're going to go across to our effects panel. And in effects, you want to type in transform. Once you're in transform, you're going to see a few different transforms. The transform we want is this one here. It's under this video effects distort transform. Then what we want to do is drop that on top of our video layer. Then we want to go to our effects control panel. We just want to scroll down to where the effect is. So here it is. We want to turn off this use composition shutter thing. Just untick that, and then underneath in this box we just want to type in 180. Once we've done that, we can now start making the effect. We want to scroll up in our effect controls. We want to go to our scale, so we're going to start it here. We're going to drop our first scale here just by clicking our toggle animation on, and we're going to move it slightly a bit forwards, and then we're going to make it 200. You can do what you think is right for your shot. These numbers are just relevant for me. You can choose your own. So now we have our two thing, and if we play the video back, it's not that smooth. It's a little bit meh. But what we can do is now we have our two markers on our timeline is we can just click the last marker, and all we want to do is scroll down and click ease in. Then we just want to click our first marker and click ease out. Now if we play that back, it's a lot smoother. And what we can do is we can come back to our timeline and we can also have it zoom back out. So if we press the marker again at the current spot, move it along slightly, and go back to our original position of 100% on the scale. Maybe move it a little bit back. And if we go back to the beginning of the video now, you're going to see that the video zooms in and out, and it's a lot more smoother. So if we play that again, you're going to see that it's a lot more smoother. So that's a simple way how you can do a smooth transition that some of the influencers use on places like TikTok and YouTube. I hope you found that useful, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.